Our next guest is helping keep your devices powered on the go. They've got a plethora of battery packs in a variety of shapes and cool Scandinavian designs, which, among other things, makes them different in a really fun way. The CEO of Case Power is Parlan Fritz. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Good to be here.
And as well, you should be good because I know your exhibit is getting a lot of attention. You've got a lot of fun products that are different in some unique ways. You know, we talk with a lot of folks about battery packs, and they're all important because all of the mobile devices we carry always need more power. So you got to carry some sort of battery packs. But you're doing some unique things with yours.
Yes, we all know that it's a big demand for power, and next year they estimate that there will be 2 billion smartphones on the market.
Oh, geez.
Among those 2 billion smart people around the world, there is one thing that they all share. They experience a lack of battery time. And then the next question would be, how can we find designed power banks that would be portable and nice and good looking so that people would like to use them?
Yeah.
And it would be easy for them to use them. So that's the challenge that we are trying to come up with good solutions to.
And one of the things that we saw as you brought them to the broadcast booth here at IFA, and it almost looked like, why would this guest be bringing lipstick? Now, mind you, they're in all different colors, but I happened to pick up this kind of bright pink or chartreuse, or I don't know what color this would even be.
Yeah.
But my first thought was, it looks like it would come apart. Oh, no, it says Case Power. There's a little spot here for micro USB, and then there's a regular USB output. And I'm thinking, really cool looking, easily fit in your pocket, battery backup. But wait, there's more. Because if you are in the dark, it's also a super bright LED flashlight. Now, obviously, the longer you use the flashlight, the less battery you're going to have for your mobile device. But keep that in mind. Maybe you don't need to use the LED on your mobile device to light up that dark hallway or something where you're walking alone at night. Use this, and you're good to go. And no doubt easy to charge with USB. Get it fully charged, and you're good to go.
Yes.
And available in a plethora of colors, too, I might add, because these are just a few that Parlan happened to be able to bring, but we've got white and black, and it looks like a nice piano finish thing. Mm-hmm. And something you're proud to carry. Maybe for the ladies, they'd like these brighter colors, who knows? Mm-hmm. But that's kind of cool. What made you decide to put an LED on these things, just to be different, I guess?
Yeah, you could say that, but it's also actually something that we do need once in a while. And as I said, I think it's not every day that you need extra power.
Yeah, of course.
So the challenge is, how can we make something easy to bring and it looks nice, that when you need it, you actually have it?
Exactly. I mean, you pretty much would know if you're heading out and about for the day and you think, you know what, I'm not going to be near a power source most of the day, so bring a little extra power.
Yes.
That seems to me to be what Case Power is all about, and really helping us to do just that.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Right. Now let me talk about some of these other really thin ones. I mean, check this out from Case Power. It's almost like, imagine a business card case that you want to have a classy case. And you flip it over, and there is a micro USB little short cable that just pops out. If I don't break it, it just pops out this way, I guess. Let me see. There we go. I was going the wrong direction. And now I can plug in my phone, my Android phone, but you have them available for iPhones as well, and iPads and so forth. And I'm charged, and look how thin this is compared to this one that I used to carry all the time. This is big and bulky and not so convenient. The only reason I carried it was because it had a cable. Well, the heck with this. I can toss that because look at Case Power. And then you just snap it back in, and also available in multiple colors. Are these available now?
Yes.
And for how much? Do you know in US dollars offhand?
$39.90.
Okay, $39 is really cool. Is it similar pricing on these other units? And how
this one is $49.90.
Okay, so the one that looks more like, if you will forgive me, lipstick.
Yeah,
because think of it that way. But what are they called? Do you have a name for them?
We call them lipstick.
So
that's why you picked it up.
Oh.
Lipstick power booster.
Lipstick. Then you don't have to forgive me. That is what you call them.
Exactly.
I love it. Now, what other kinds of things do you have? I know you couldn't bring everything to our broadcast booth, but really quickly, what other kinds of products are being shown here at IFA and getting a lot of attention?
Yeah, we're covering basically the whole range. As you said, also the power cases with the inbuilt lightning pin, certified by Apple for iPhone 5. And
Gotcha.
we also have the larger power banks, up to 12,000. One of the hot sellers we have is a 4,000 milliamps battery, which is really, really thin. I mean, I can show you.
Yeah, because you couldn't physically bring everything, but
Exactly.
a picture is worth 1,000 words, so there you go. And
Yeah.
it does seem very thin. It's almost, is this about the size of a smartphone, a
Yeah.
standard small smartphone,
Count.
but certainly not as thick.
Yeah.
And you've got really extended user time.
Exactly.
Fully recharge the iPhone 2 times, for example, and it gives you an idea, 7.5 millimeters thick.
And then we have the other power bank with 8,000 milliamps, which is even better for the tablets and for the
Oh, yes.
for the iPads.
Yeah, you got
That gives
iPads
you-
and tablets that are just sucking up power when you're using them for all sorts of things, and a whole bunch of other things too. Power boosters, all sorts of
Yes.
sizes and flavors. You can check them out at case-power.com. And as always, we'll have a link at intotomorrow.com. Parlan, thanks for bringing some cool goodies to share, and good luck at this IFA and continued success.
Lovely. See you at CES next year.
We will do that
Yeah.
as we launch our 19th year at CES, as a matter of fact. Our 10th year at IFA here in Berlin. We're back with more. Do stay tuned. 2 weeks worth of coverage on Into Tomorrow here on the Advanced Media Network.